guys, I'm driving your vehicle today. How do you feel about that?
I don't know, mate. It actually looks very beautiful.
What are we fixing today, mate?
We're going to fix up the camber so the front's like that and the rear's like that.
Give us a little oh! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, back here checking in after we finished the work. I was going to film the work, like adjusting the camber and stuff, but we just got lost and was chatting to Emma and stuff like that, so we just done it. I'll show you the finished product now. Looks better, it looks nice, and now we've adjusted the rear to match, so that looks absolutely fat. Pretty good. Just needs to get a proper wheel alignment now, because we've just done the toe and stuff by the way. But apart from that, yeah, it's looking absolutely fat.
Gang.
News just in, guys. We are going to pick up some more car parts for the Falcon. The exterior is looking pretty nice, but we're going to pick up some interior parts. So just take a quick look at what it looks like now, and it will be changed. So yeah, look forward to that. We're going there. It's about 40 minutes away. So go pick that up. We'll take his with us, and we'll see what we're getting. Alright, so after a quick 40-minute drive there and back, we've zipped back home. We did pick up the new parts I'll show you. So what we got is we're changing the silver shitty old interior pieces. You can see silver here, there, around the door trims, and we're changing it to the black, which looks absolutely insane. I've got all the rest, so all around here, the tissue box and the ICC cover here. I also did change the boot yesterday because the old one was cracked. So I've got all the parts in the back, all that stuff. So we'll start fitting that now, and we'll check back with you when it's all done.
Hi guys, welcome back to Car and Alex Live. So today we've got lots of planned today.
I just finished installing the rest of the black piano black parts into the FG, and man, to tell you I am pleased is an absolute understatement. It looks absolutely insane. So again, old pieces, that old greyish colour, now we're all nice and blacked out. Looks absolutely sensational. I could not be any more pleased with how that came out. But yeah, we'll catch up with Brandon soon, and we'll see what he's up to. But for now, stay tuned. Remember, RSK's a family. Spread the word.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Brandon here from RSK with the Groovy Doovie.
Your boy Groovy Doovie, bringing out another movie.
We out here. This is just us.
Yeah. What are we doing today?
We're in quarantine. We're in quarantine.
Stay up 1.5 minutes apart.
Yeah, you stay over there.
Alright.
You stay 1.5 minutes.
Hey guys, what's going on? One of the homies is pulling up right now. As Brandon will say in a minute.
Yeah, we're doing some things to other FGs. They look lit. I'm excited. We'll get back to you when we throw some shit on.
Yep.
Alex, what are we doing?
We bought an intake.
Wait. Say it again.
We bought an intake.
We're about to install a growler to the beast. We've already updated this big bopper.
What did we do to this?
Brake pads.
Yep, front pads.
We did
replaced
fuel pump tings.
Power steering pump
and a belt ting.
Power steering pump, belt, and the front pads.
Now this has a potty under that.
Yeah, this is a
but yours
intake.
Yours is huge. Let's have a geese. I want to geese it.
Today, but Driver. Big boy.
Big bopper. Let's get it. You look like you really need to detail this engine bay, Alex. Speaking of which.
CEC? Did someone say CEC?
It's a surprise. It's a surprise.
Yeah. Stay tuned in the next video. Probably.
Next video.
Yeah.
Sponsor.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yep. We got our first brand deal.
Yep. And this.
Yes, will be fixed. And the outside.
Oh yeah, and the mainly the outside.
And And the wheels.
Mainly these. Is it really simple?
Yes, so all you want to do is, once I get this out, I'll show you.
3 weeks later.
Okay, so you got two 10mm up here. And you just undo them to get the stock airbox out. Joined by 7mm. Usually they'll have a little muffler on here, but we deleted ours.
So it did have these like extra things that just go to nowhere. But Alex doesn't have them. That's a nice shirt. Do we have any of those left? No, we don't.
We sold out. We sold out.
Sold out, dance, go get it. Oh, yeah, we're sold out. We're sold out. Oh, yeah, we're sold out. Lit. No, it's going to be golden. It's going to be golden. They look great. They just...
They're going to sell out like hot cakes.
Yeah.
Like hot cakes.
Hot cakes from MacD's.
Do you like hot cakes, man?
I love hot cakes.
I love hot cakes too.
Mac is sponsor us. Alright, you're doing real easy things here. Oh, then we're going to go for a spin.
Yeah. Go
for a spin in the whirlybird.
A test hit.
I think the people want to know, when do you pick up this new ting?
Ooh. Well, now this whole coronavirus thing's going on.
Oh, I don't want to even talk about it.
We're not allowed to drive anywhere. So, should be able to get it in the next couple of months. And...
that is huge. What a waste of space.
Yep, what a waste of space.
Yuck.
What a waste of bottom. Anyone who wants to do it the cheap way, if you get the stock airbox and you cut a big hole here, it sounds pretty much the same.
That's a cheap way. We don't want to go on cheap.
Cheap way, but we're not doing it the
cheap
cheap way.
This is the fat way.
As I got hooked up by Royden Ford. Shout out to Royden Ford.
It went in.
Yep.
Oh my god, it looks like Boeing 747's intake.
Do I want to talk about it?
Yes.
No, I don't.
Look at the doggo on it. Growler.
Growler. Dog. I think that's like a lion cat thing, man. Not a doge.
It's just juice. And we know, with all the coronavirus stuff, how much of our packages have been delayed?
Oh yeah, tell them I got delayed. Tell them what's coming in the mail.
Oh, my ting.
Yeah, your ting.
My ting. My thing that's coming is high pressure fuel pump internals, which I needed, which are delayed. It's pretty much all I needed, really, to get this big turbo on. So stay tuned, because in, how long do you reckon?
Couple weeks?
Yeah, a couple of weeks, the install will be coming. If this coronavirus, insert corona picture here, wasn't happening.
Corona here.
Insert a corona here, drink it. Yeah, so corona here, you are. Nah, it'll be happening soon, so we're keen. I'm keen to go fast.
Yeah.
And then by the time it's done, you'll pick up yours and I won't be the fastest. That doesn't make me happy.
Does that not make you happy at all?
No, it doesn't.
Not make you a happy camper?
Alright, let's put this all back together and then get clips inside the rig. Go, slap it. Slap it, Alex. Slap it. Slap the camera. Let's go. Yeah, no, not you. Oh my god. Alex, I want a proper rip and I want it now. Wow. That is lit. That's lit.
That's crazy.
That is sick. Oh my god.
Such a difference.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, I can't get over that.
You have to turn around.
Yeah.
Wow. That's incredible. See what has beaten Alex?
Hold on.
That has beaten Alex.
It's gonna scrape, but
Oh god, I'm scared. Oh! Twist up. No, turn around. Turn around.
Nope.
I did not like that. I felt that. I felt that just...
not happening.
I just felt that rattle through my freaking
We'll turn around.
legs.
We will turn. We'll turn around.
Yeah, that's not it. That, see that? Small little thing over there? That's not even an option.
It's defeated us. Well, what we're going to let you in on here is we got limited edition run. We only have 15.
No, we have less.
Yeah.
We have 10.
We got 10.
We got 10.
10, sorry. 10 limited edition hoodies signed by us with a special logo on it that will only ever be around once. So
Once. And it's embroidered. That's all we're going to say. Embroidered.
Oh, and
new logo.
massive shout out to you guys. We
Oh,
surpassed.
actually, hang on. Let me get the phone out. Let me check it.
Oh, okay. Look at this. Is it focused?
Yeah, the sun's.
Oh, down here. Look at that. Look at that.
This has
1,000 subs.
1,000 subs.
Woo!
We hit it, baby.
Congratulations, Royal Street Krew. That's us, man. That is us.
We did it.
That is us. That is us.
That's it. Done.
Yeah.
1,000 horsepower. 1,000 horsepower. Yeah. I mean, 1,000 sub dance.
That's hard.
Now that's what I was going to show you guys. Now we're actually at 1392,
Wow.
bro. 1392.
Wow.
Thank you heaps. Oh, I don't even know what to say. That's
and
sick.
the giveaway,
That's like a dream.
The giveaway winner will be announced on our Facebook tonight.
Yeah, winner of the thing.
The winner of
Faceballs.
the t-shirt.
Remember to subscribe. RSK's a family. We'll see you in the next one. Let's go, baby.
RSK's a family. Spread the
Spread
word.
the word.